Hi, it's Kathleen and we're going thrifting. Surprise, surprise. Let's go. Get over it. And yes, we are looking for something very specific this week. This week, I'm going to be turning myself into a cartoon character. Kathleen Illustrated becomes truly illustrated. But to talk more about that, we'll kick it over to voiceover Kathleen. When my pal and extremely talented animator Quath reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work together and become a cartoon character, that was a big yes from me, dog. I was born for this role. Here's the basic gist. If Kathleen Illustrated was a cartoon character, what would she wear? And would she then become Kathleen Animated? I can't take credit for that joke, that was all Quath. So to guide our search, Quathrin put together this handy-dandy guide for thinking about costume design and animation. So we want to think about a few basic things on our quest to becoming globally beloved cartoon characters. We want to think about silhouette, color palette, and accessories, baby. Silhouette is our starting point. Picture this. If you can only see the outline of your cartoon character, would you be recognizable? In this case, bold and simple shapes are going to be our friends. The next layer of this beautiful and cell-shaded cake is color palette. Typically, cartoon characters have pretty simplified and unified color palettes. I think Daphne and Velma from Scooby-Doo, like Quath points out here, are really great examples. It helps people recognize the characters when they're on screen, and it also helps animators because they have less colors to worry about. Finally, accessories. I think Quathrin puts it perfectly when they wrote, an accessory is a character's signature. It can tell a lot about their personality, and often they wouldn't be caught dead without it. Other great examples include Sailor Moon's moon crystal, Kiki's hair bow, and far-fetched leek. This thing. Why is that so hard to say? Personally, I'm inspired by the costume design from shows like As Told by Ginger, Pepper Ann, and on the other side of the spectrum, all flavors of magical girls. That came out wrong. Okay, with our 3 categories in mind, back to the thrifting. I can't tell if it's great or horrible. This definitely hits the big pattern quota. Look at this, it's handmade. I feel like a lot of cartoon characters wear vests. Oh my gosh. I feel like all these silhouettes are so boring. Where are the shoulder pads, people? Where are the petty skirts? Now this feels cartoony. So much contrast. Also, I found, whoosh, this. Okay, Rugrats. I'm in the men's pants. For some reason, I just have a feeling I'm gonna be able to find really big cartoonish pants today. I don't usually have good luck in the pants, so I don't know what kind of bee I have in my bonnet, but it's buzzing. Yeah, I don't know who let that bee into my bonnet because they were wrong. I didn't find any pants, but we're gonna try on what I found. Also, speaking of cartoon characters, have you seen a cartoonier outfit in all your days? It's montage time. Is this not amazing? I feel like it goes perfectly with this dress. I mean, color-wise. It's handmade. It's a little fishnet poncho. Not my usual style, but I feel like it calls to me like a siren, luring me to a yarny grave. Also, I found this amazing vintage fleece exercise shirt. Look at this tag. So good, but I couldn't even get it over my head. I think that we should probably try a different thrift store. Let's go. Good morning, bozos. It's day 2 of thrifting, and today, ooh, scandalous. Today I really want to focus on finding those fun shapes and silhouettes. I still have my fingers crossed for some big old pants. One thing I'm realizing feels very cartoony to me is big buttons. Because I imagine the animator doesn't want to draw a teeny tiny little speck of a button. They want a statement button. This is honestly kind of a sick robe. These are cool. I mean, I wouldn't wear them, but they are UGG. Do they have the shearling on the inside? I'll give you 2 guesses as to what is inside this boot. Did you guess a $1 bill and a condom? Thrift store, you be crazy sometimes. Dude, what a tag. That's amazing. All right, I'm finally looking through the pants. Again, we're looking for big old Jinko Jean-esque pants. I found one pair so far. I think they're gonna be too small, but I'll show you. We got some old Union Bay cargo pants, and they have these awesome big flared bottoms. They are in a small, so my hopes are not very high. We're in the tops now, and not necessarily cartoon character-y, but definitely Kathleen-y. How did I get so lucky? We made it to the fitting room, and I have a lot of stuff to try. We've got fun colors, fun patterns. We've got big pants. We've got tropical moo-moo. So I guess that means it's montage time. Very clowny. Tube. And this is the type of silhouette I've been looking for this whole time. Big shoulders, very cartoonish. I like how this is just like a straight across line and it has some squiggly wigglies up here. This has potential. All right, we're gonna check out one more store. And then we're also gonna shop my own closet because I feel like a lot of my stuff is very cartoon character-y. Let's go. I swear I've seen this tiger before. Anyways, I got distracted by the clocks. Isn't this cool? These are very cartoon character-y. Okay, thrift gods. Hello, it's day 3. We're gonna check one more place. I have some ideas, but let's just see what we can find, okay? Big, puffy dress with a see-through texture. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I'm back. And I know my vest is very spooky, but please do not be afraid. It's all gonna be okay. So here is what we're working with for our cartoon character costumes. Costumes. Am I gonna do more than one? I guess I haven't decided yet. Anyways, this is all the stuff that I found, as well as stuff from my own closet that I picked that I thought fit our key pillars when it comes to costume design. Do you remember what those are? So you'll notice a lot of shape, a lot of color, and general whimsical vibes. And I know I talked a little bit in the beginning about specific characters that I liked. I've been thinking, and I've landed on an aesthetic. Hear me out. What if Parappa da Rappa was a magical girl? Don't leave. It's okay if your mind has never allowed you to think about such off-the-chain concepts. That's why I'm here. But truly, I feel like if I were a cartoon character, why'd I say it like that? It would be a mix of funky shapes and colors, aka Parappa da Rappa, plus like a little bit of witchiness, a little bit of magic, aka a magical girl. Think Sailor Moon, Tokyo Mew Mew. So with that said, let's pull some outfits, I guess. So first I'll show you what I actually got from the thrift store. I really did not get much new for this. I got this sweater. It definitely fits the silhouette category because it has that big floppy neck, as well as these cool like flared sleeves. And I thought even the contrast stitching felt almost like drawing, like lines. And I also just liked it. It's perfect for fall. Next, I got these. Are these not the perfect cartoony stompers? And I'm astounded that I found them at the thrift store. Thank you, thrift gods. Yeah, thank the thrift gods. Nice. This is the piece I am most excited about of all of my finds. This transparent taffeta-y black dress with puff sleeves and a mock neck and a little ruffle hem. I definitely have to use this. All right, and I think the last new thing I got, besides my pumpkin vest, but that's just for me, was this animal print quilted jacket. I think the pattern is a little bit small and cluttered to be really cartoony, but it definitely has high contrast, and it might be good for layering. We'll try it out. My tutu, my neck ruffle. If you know what video this ruffle is from, you're a real one. Okay, that was all the new stuff. Let's talk about some of the things I pulled from my own closet. The second I bought this polka dot two-piece set, first of all, it reminded me of Parappa Darappa, but I think the pattern size is perfect for a cartoon character. It's got this little tonal polka dot goodness going on and some shoulder pads. Maybe paired with like an accessory of some sort, maybe a hat or a yo-yo. Do I have a yo-yo? Next, we've got this beautiful magenta ruffled skirt. I'd love to layer this with something, maybe if I'm going for more of that magical girl vibe, a lime green hot pants. And I also pulled these, which I got last week. You saw that if you saw last week's video. For some reason, a chunky shoe just screams cartoon character to me. How many times am I going to say cartoon character in this video? We've got big neck ruffle if we really wanted to lean into the clown aspect, a big statement belt in case we needed to cinch anything in, among other things. We'll play, we'll have fun. But now that I think about it, I think I want to do two outfits. One is like my default cartoon character outfit, and then the second is my like alter ego magical girl outfit. Something a little more whimsical. So with that being said, I guess we should try some stuff on. Let's see how this goes. Okay, first let's try some basic options. This would be the everyday, the default outfit. I like the brightness here, but I think it's a little too generic. Okay, this has great contrast, but it's still a little bit boring for me. Now we're getting somewhere. The two-piece set feels very on brand for my character. So now let's try some accessories. Cute, but let's go clownier. We'll add some smaller details like earrings and face paint. Okay, maybe we tone back the clown. Perfect. And then swap out the shoes. Yeah, this outfit's feeling good. I'm feeling very cartoonified. So I think that means it's time for my magical girl transformation. Are you ready? Me neither. Whoa. I guess I teleported? Okay, this outfit is incredible. A very magical girl. But to be honest, I was expecting a little more magic with that magical girl transformation. Quath, are you still here? Can you help me out with the whole magic thing? All right, let's try this again. Well, what did you think? First of all, we got to give a big clap for Quathrin for killing that animation. When I saw the final product, I was actually out at a bar and I went around shoving my phone in strangers' faces saying, "Look at this! Behold the clowny magical girl goodness." I put their info down in the description box, so please go show Quath some love, give him a subscribe, and praise their almighty skills. Also, I am very interested to know if you were a cartoon character, what would your costume be? What would be your signature look? I feel like my buns and the little clown makeup is kind of like my accessory. Maybe I need to invest in some actual clown noses. I think that's the next step in my evolution. If you like this video and you'd like to stick around for the next video, then please feel free to subscribe if you'd like. I post most Sundays, and October is coming, which is the month where I am most powerful. So expect a plethora of spooky, chaotic videos to come. You can also follow me at Kathleen Illustrated if you'd like a sneak peek to whatever shenanigans I'm getting up to during the week between videos. And with that, I need to go fight crime or join a circus or something. So here are some more videos if you'd like to watch them. Once again, thank you, Quathrin. You're amazing. Please, everyone, go subscribe, go follow, go share the love. And that's it. So, I love you, and goodbye.